Welcome back to Infigyan, my dear friends. In this video, we have one very interesting and challenging question from algebra. Equation is 11 plus 8x over 2 plus 3x whole cube minus 1 minus 7x over 2 plus 3x whole cube equal to 125, and we'll be solving for real solutions only. I will share three different methods to proceed this question. So let me write here method number 1. And I will begin with taking 125 to LHS. So I will be writing our equation as 11 plus 8x over 2 plus 3x whole cube. Then this minus we can take into this bracket. So it will become plus 7x minus 1 over 2 plus 3x whole cube. And then I will be writing minus 125. It is 5 cube equal to 0. Now I can write 8x plus 11 over 3x plus 2 whole cube plus 7x minus 1 over 3x plus 2 whole cube plus minus 5 whole cube equal to 0. Now I will write one algebraic identity. It is a cube plus b cube plus c cube. This is equal to 3 times abc if a plus b plus c equal to 0. So we have to check this condition. If this holds true, then we can apply this identity. So let us check. Assume this is A, this is B, this is C. So I will write here A plus B plus C value first. This will be equal to 8x plus 11 over 3x plus 2 plus 7x minus 1 over 3x plus 2. This is A, this is B, this is C. Then we have to add C also, that means minus 5. Once I will add these two, so it will give us 15x plus 10. Let me write here 15x plus 10 over 3x plus 2 minus 5. Now I will take 5 common from the numerator. So 3x plus 2 over 3x plus 2 minus 5. Now we can cancel 3x plus 2 from numerator and denominator. So 5 minus 5. So this value A plus B plus C, this value is coming out 0. That means we can write A cube plus B cube plus C cube. This will be equal to 3 times A times B times C. So let us apply. I will be writing our equation once. 8x plus 11 over 3x plus 2 whole cube plus 7x minus 1 over 3x plus 2 whole cube plus minus 5 whole cube equal to 0. So in LHS I can use this algebraic identity and I can write 3 times the product of all 3 brackets. So let me write here 3 times. I will write 3 times A times B times C. So A was 8x plus 11 over 3x plus 2. B was 7x minus 1 over 3x plus 2. C was negative 5 equal to 0. Now conclusion from this equation, we can write here 8x plus 11, this will be equal to 0, or 7x minus 1, this will be equal to 0. Rest values are constant, so it cannot be, and denominator cannot be equal to 0. That means x cannot be equal to negative 2 over 3. So from this equation I will write 8x is equal to negative 11. So x will be equal to negative 11 over 8. And from this equation 7x is equal to 1. X will be equal to 1 over 7. Now method number 2. So let me write here method 2. And here in this method I will use again substitution. Let me write equation once. 8x plus 11 over 3x plus 2 whole cube plus 7x minus 1 over 3x plus 2 whole cube equal to 125 is 5 cube. Now I will consider this is A, this is B, bracket only. Now I will check A plus B value. So if I will check A plus B, then 8x plus 11 plus 7x minus 1 over 3x plus 2, which is nothing but 15x plus 10 over 3x plus 2. Take 5 common from the numerator. We'll be having 3x plus 2 in the numerator and 3x plus 2 in the denominator, which will get cancelled out. So A plus B equal to 5, and this is our RHS. So I can write A cube plus B cube equal to A plus B whole cube. Remember 8x plus 11 over 3x plus 2 is A. 7x minus 1 over 3x plus 2 equal to B. Let's solve this equation. A cube plus B cube equal to A plus B whole cube. So I will be writing here A cube plus B cube equal to A plus B whole cube. Let me expand RHS. A cube plus B cube plus 3AB A plus B. Left hand side it is A cube plus B cube. So it will be over A cube plus B cube. So I can write 3 times AB, A plus B equal to 0. So 3 cannot be 0, it is constant. So A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. A plus B is 5, so it cannot be. A plus B equal to 5, so it cannot be 0. So we have to check these two equations. So A was 8x plus 11 over 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So from here conclusion would be 8x plus 11 will be 0. So we can write from here x will be equal to negative 11 over 8, which is our first solution. And b equal to 0, then 7x minus 1 over 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Conclusion, 7x minus 1 will be equal to 0, or x will be equal to 1 over 7. This is our second answer. Now method number 3. So I will be writing here method number 3. Here I will use, this is our A, and if I will consider plus sign over here, then plus 7x minus 1. This is our B. Now I will write A plus B whole cube formula. Directly, it is equal to A cube plus B cube plus 3AB, A plus B. Now this is A cube plus B cube equal to 125. And if I will add simply A plus B, then it will come out 5 as we have calculated in previous solution. So I will be writing here 5 cube equal to A cube plus B cube 125 plus 3 times AB, A plus B is 5. So 125, 125. So ultimately we are getting 15AB equal to 0. Conclusion is either A equal to 0 or B equal to 0. Now this bracket was A, so I will write 8x plus 11 over 3x plus 2 equal to 0. And from here I can write 7x minus 1 over 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So our result will come out negative 11 over 8 and x is equal to 1 over 7. Let us verify. So I will write x is equal to negative 11 over 8 and x is equal to 1 over 7. Let me write here check, and I will consider equation as 8x plus 11 over 3x plus 2 whole cube plus 7x minus 1 over 3x plus 2 whole cube equal to 5 cube. So let us begin with negative 11 over 8. So I will write x is equal to negative 11 over 8. So 8x will be equal to negative 11. So this bracket, the first one, let me write here 8x plus 11 over 3x plus 2 whole cube plus 7x minus 1 over 3x plus 2 whole cube. This is our LHS. So x is equal to negative 11 over 8. So 8x is equal to negative 11. So 8x plus 11 would be 0. You can see this numerator will be 0. So this term is 0 plus. Now 7x. So x is equal to negative 11 over 8. So this will become minus 77 over 8 minus 1 over 3x. So I will write minus 33 over 8 plus 2 whole cube. Now negative 77, negative 8. It will be negative 85 over 8. Denominator will be minus 33 plus 16. So minus 17 over 8 whole cube. Now we can cancel minus with minus, 8 with 8, and 17 times 5 is 85. So I can write here this will become 5 cube, which is equal to 125, which is our RHS. Hence verified. Now the turn of second solution, x is equal to 1 over 7. So let me write here x is equal to 1 over 7. This is verified. we have verified LHS equal to RHS. Now x is equal to 1 over 7. So this time second bracket. Let me write equation 8x plus 11 over 3x plus 2 whole cube plus 7x minus 1 over 3x plus 2 whole cube. Now 7x minus 1, from this equation we can write 7x is equal to 1 or 7x minus 1 will be 0. So this time this will be 0. Now we have to only calculate 8x. So 8x would be 8 over 7 plus 11 over 3x would be 3 over 7 plus 2 whole cube. Now 77 plus 8. So it would be 85 over 7. This is our numerator. Denominator is 3 plus 14. 17 over 7 whole cube. Now 7 will be over. 17 times 5 is 85. So 5 cube, which is equal to 125, which is equal to RHS. Hence this is also verified. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.